In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a call in Zoho CRM. We'll walk through the process from inside a specific record, like a lead or a contact. This is the best way to make sure your calls are always tied to the right person and that your follow-ups are easy to track. First, log into your Zoho CRM account and head over to the main navigation at the top. From there, choose either the Leads module or the Contacts module, depending on who you want to schedule the call with. If you're following up with someone who hasn't been qualified yet, you'll likely find them under Leads. If they're already a customer or a more established prospect, they'll typically be under Contacts. Once you're in the right module, scroll through your list or use the search bar to find the specific record you want. Click on the person's name to open their detailed record page. This is where all of their information, interactions, and related activities are stored. On the Records page, look to the left-hand side for the related lists. Find and select the option labeled Open Activities. This section is dedicated to tasks, meetings, and calls that are upcoming or in progress for that particular lead or contact. Inside Open Activities, look for a button or link that says Add New. Click on that, and from the drop-down options, choose Call. You'll usually see options such as logging a completed call or setting up a new one. Here, you want to select Schedule a Call. This tells Zoho that you're planning something in the future, not documenting something that's already happened. A call scheduling form will open. Take a moment to fill in the subject field with a clear, concise description, like Discovery Call or Onboarding Follow-up. Next, set the call start time. Make sure you choose the correct date, time, and time zone, especially if you and your customer are in different regions. This helps avoid any confusion or missed appointments. You'll also see options for reminder settings. It's a good idea to enable a reminder so you don't forget the call. Choose how far in advance you'd like to be notified, whether that's a few minutes, an hour, or even a day before. Once everything looks correct and you're happy with the details, click Schedule. Your call is now saved as an open activity for that record, and you're all set for your upcoming conversation.